Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you the benefits of a standalone page and how to create a standalone page on your website at connect.dataczar.com. So first let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to click Login. Let's get our username and password. Okay, so that's going to take us to Dashboard on our main menu. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. And we'll go full screen. So to work on your website, you're going to click on the website button here. And we have post pages and settings. To create the standalone page, we're going to go to pages. And down here, we have all these pages that we've created already. And then on the bottom, on the top menu, and then on the bottom menu, we have contact. But in standalone page, it's not in a menu here. And a standalone page is a page that you're going to share only with certain people. It's a page that doesn't show on your website. And we're going to show you the benefits. For example, if you have a newsletter sign up and you want to reward people for signing up. And the other thing you want to remember is that once you create the standalone page, you're going to have this copy link right here for you to share with. And you're only going to share it with certain people. And if you ever change the title, you want to make sure that you reshare the link, because once you change the title, it will no longer appear properly. So first of all, let's click on Add Page. So we're on the bottom menu, Standalone. We're adding a page, and we're going to name this Standalone Benefits. And then down here, we're going to put in the benefits. But real quickly, let's tab over to our AAA outdoor scenes. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to paste it in here just for demonstration purposes, and just so you can see what it looks like when you share it. And just remember that when you create a standalone page, the link is simply the URL of the page. And if you change your page title, you change your link. So be sure that if you adjust the page title, to reshare the link or copy the link into your clipboard for sharing again. So let's go back to Connect, and I'm going to go ahead and grab some words here. So let's go ahead and paste those in here. And these are the benefits of a standalone page. So let's go ahead and make this 18 point. We'll center it. And here are the benefits. Let's go 14 point. Let's just bring those over a little bit. Okay, so the benefits of a standalone page. It's a promotional page that you can send to certain customers. And also it could be a free gift for a newsletter sign up, just encouraging people to sign up. Maybe you have on your social media, sign up for my newsletter, you're going to get a free gift. It could be a monthly promotion for customers that have opted into something. So if you have a promotion that you're offering on your website and people have taken advantage of it, then you could send them the special promotion via the promotional page. It could be a special promotion for those that have provided an email address, such as the newsletter sign up, or you just want to get their email address so you can send them promotions and things like that. So you send them a special promotion for providing that. It could be a special page for paid subscribers, so it's a purchased item. So you have somebody that purchases an item for you and you send it to them via the special page. Or it could be a special class or tutorial, like a video. Maybe if you're a motivational speaker or something like that, it could be a purchased item as well. So those are the benefits of a standalone page. So let's go ahead and let's create the page here. So we hit create, and if we go back to pages right here, then you're going to see now we have the standalone benefits where we created that. And let's go ahead and let's copy the link here. So that's copied into my clipboard. And let's go ahead and just tab over to the AAA outdoor scenes, and we're going to paste it in right here. So that's actually going to be on our home page. Let's go back to Connect, and we're just going to scroll up here on our home index page. We're going to edit that, and we're just going to add it in right here. So we'll do standalone benefits, and they're just going to link that up. So let's go ahead and highlight that link. I have the link copied into my clipboard. Well, maybe I don't. Let me go cancel that. Let's update that. Let's go back to Pages and Standalone, copy. So it's copied into my clipboard. And let's go back to the home index. We're going to edit this. And so we have the standalone benefits. Let's go ahead and link that up. So let's Control V. So there it is. So let's go ahead and hit OK. So we have that linked up on the home page. We're going to go ahead and click Update. And let's go back to our AAA outdoor scenes. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this. So I'm going to do Control F5. And there we go. We have our standalone benefits. Now when I click on that, it will show the benefits of a standalone page. Again, it could be a promotional page. It could be a free gift for newsletter sign up, a monthly promotion, a special page like a purchased item for paid subscribers, or it could be like a special class or video for paid accounts, a purchased item. So let's go ahead and tab on back over to our Connect website, and we're going to go ahead and remove this because we really don't need that. We just use that for demonstration purposes. So this is on our home page. We're going to go ahead and remove that. Just click Update. And let's go back to Pages. And again, this is the copy link right here. So you just click on that and you can share that with your customers for the standalone page. Let's go back to Dashboard. And that's it. Those are the benefits of a standalone page and how to create a standalone page on your website with Dataczar Connect.